Alright, this is a 1978 Toyota FJ40, and this is the F2 engine, the original engine. And today is October 16th, 2017, and it's a beautiful day. It's about 55 degrees out right now, and we're about to start her up from a cold start. And as you can see, the original miles are 69,632.0, and I'll give it a start here. And it starts out really beautifully. And it also, by the way, I've had this car for a little over a year. I drove it all winter, and it starts up really nicely in the winter, drives really nice in the winter as well. So we live here in Illinois, and last winter it got down below zero just a little bit, and I drove it all the way through the winter. Also, this car was bought in Texas about a year and a half ago, so it's really only withstood one winter here in Illinois. This car's been garage kept, car wash on a regular basis, so it's been in Oregon, Colorado, and Texas. So it runs well, never had any problems, had regular service. So all the owners seem to be well taken care of.